Hello viewers, today I'm going to take a session on how to e-file in ClearText website. So in ClearText website you will have option of filing based on if you have Form-16 you can upload Form-16 here, and then or you can go with this form like no Form-16 PDF, you can do it on paper. So let me show you this example. Like when you have uploaded the Form-16 you will have this first tab where you have to enter your information, then date of birth, PAN number, and your files. Then once you have saved it, you will have to enter your address details where under mandatory. Enter your details properly, maybe. Then let's go to the income sources page. Here is the, if you have not chosen Form-16, here you have to enter your income from salary. So for example, I'm giving 3 lakhs, so 5 lakhs, let's have it as 5 lakhs. So name of the employer you have to enter, and then if you have any TDS which are deducted from your salary, maybe you can download the 26AS form from income tax e-filing website. Please refer to my previous video where I have mentioned how to download 26AS form. So even in your form 16 they would have mentioned what is the TDS amount that's just been deducted. If you have uploaded the form 16 it will populate automatically, but then if you don't have form 16 you can enter it manually. And then this is where you have to mention, you have to enter the TAN of your employer, and then here you have to mention the tax deducted from your sales. And then let's go to other income. So these are section if you are having uh, more than income from other than from your salaried account. For example, if you are working in XYZ company you will be getting form 16, and if you are doing any side businesses and then you will gain some salary, you can avail to this option, and then you can enter some amount. Like if you are saving in post office deposit, you will have some interest, right? If the interest, if you are earning more than 3 lakhs and the interest is coming more than that, so you have to enter your details here, and then other income. And these are some agricultural income. If you are a farmer, you can give agricultural income, gross agricultural receipt. And then if you are doing any business regarding agriculture, and then these are like sections. Then house property. If you own a house property, you can enter your details here. For example, you can see interest on housing loan for house property you live in. So if you are earning any interest on that, you can do it. And then capital gain from the share markets, and then if you're business and profession you have to enter your details here. So let me skip to the next step where you will have to enter the deductions. So I guess you all know about ETC section. So ETC section is where you can save a few investments like LIC premium, public provident fund, and then national pension scheme, NPS, and then mutual funds, and your children school fees and housing loan all comes under this section. So when it comes to NTC section, you can maximum avail up to 1.5 lakhs. You can save up to 1.5 lakhs. For example, if you have entered LIC of amount 50k, okay, 50,000 plus, and your PF will be more. For example, let's have it at 36,000, and then you will have few segments like public provident fund. So you are paying 5,000 per month, so it's around 60,000 per year, for example. And then you can save in some and mutual funds like 10,000 per month. And if you are paying for your children fees and all will come under this section. So let's try to save until 1.5 lakhs. Also national pension scheme, let's have it as 20k. So when you calculate overall, if it comes to 1 lakh 50,000, it's well and good or rules. And additionally there are some sections now from this financial year government has enabled, like apart from NPS, if you have investment around 1.5 lakhs and 1.5 lakhs, let's have it as for like LIC. PPF and mutual funds and children's school fees and your PF. So if it comes to 1.5 lakhs, and additionally if you are paying for national pension scheme like 30,000, you can avail up to 50,000. So literally it is equal to 2 lakhs. So maximum of maximum you can save up to 2 lakhs in your ATC investment section. Like investment and all, overall maximum is 1.5 lakh. You could see like here they have mentioned you can claim deduction up to 1.5 lakh under this section. Add all the context. Okay. So additionally, if you have any deduction for the interest earned on saving banks account, you can enter here. And then if you are doing any donation to this charitable organization, you can enter the information here. Let's have some fun. Then this section, medical insurance premium. This is actually 80s D section. You could see here deductions from medical insurance. So medical insurance is like most of the companies will employer will be holding that section, but in few companies still they give an option for the employees to pay their medical insurance. For example, if you are subscribed to yourself, like self is that you can avail up to 3 lakhs and you don't have to pay anything. But then if you want to pay for your spouse and then dependents like parents, you have to pay some premium, for example 50,000 per year. So if you're paying 15,000 per year, or additionally if you want to add some more dependents, you can pay up to 18 or 20. So you can add all the information here. And then preventive health checks for you, all this information. You can pay medical insurance premium for your parents. This is what you can mention here. And Rajiv Gandhi equity savings scheme, this is a new thing. You can save in this section also. You can mention and educational loan for on higher studies. If you are doing any higher studies, you can enter here, and the interest only will be added here. And any pension plans, annuity plan, like pension schemes are there. You can mention all the information here. So I have mentioned like additional pension, national pension scheme, there it will come under this ATCCD1. So I have told you in the previous section, like if you are having 1.5 lakhs in ATC apart from national pension scheme, so the remaining will be added here, like 50k will be added here. So guys notice like 1.5 is the maximum on the ATC, but then additionally if you are paying more than 1 lakh 50,000 in your national pension scheme will be coming under this section. So employer contribution to national pension scheme, if there is anything up to 10% of salary, employer will be paying. So this is the next one. HRA is a section where it will be deducted from your salary, like tax deduction will be happening in your gross salary itself. If you have any Form 16, there you can find a section called as HRA, conveyance, and you could find communication expenses some of the companies might provide. And additionally, you could see leave travel allowances, fuel allowances, all these will be provided from many of the employers are providing. So you can avail those benefits as well. And then they will be deducted from your gross salary, and you just need to enter your net taxable amount in your first tax revenue. So if some of the companies may not provide HRA benefit, so if you want to enter those information, you can enter here. So you can read here, not commonly applicable deduction. Please be careful while claiming. If you receive HRA benefit, then you cannot claim this deduction. So if your employer is not providing HRA benefit, you cannot avail. So this is the information. If you are looking to claim HRA, this is not section. Okay. So be careful. You can enter if there's anything, and remaining sections like specify disease, interest on home loans. This is an important section. If you are paying any home loans, the interest only will be added here. Okay, you see all the information, read all the information and fill it carefully. Royalty received on books. So if you are having any literary books, like if you are doing PhD, if you have any royalty, there will be some amount you will be paying, copyright fees you will be paying. You can enter the information here. And patent rights, example to similar to that, patent rights, if you're having any inventions, you will be paying some royalty. So for them, you can enter here research and rural development, political party. I don't understand why government has given this. So you can provide any contribution to political party. For example, 5 lakhs also you can donate, and then you can enter here. So people who are interested in paying for a political party, like donating to political party, you can pay any of the money you earn and then avail your benefit here. There is no restriction here. This is how government is. And next section is biodegradable based business. If you're doing these are like biodegradable and natural things will have no tax. That's why they have included here. And other sections, like if you have any disablement, you can enter your spouse, children, parents. You can enter all these details. And let me go on to the next tab where taxes paid. So I said about the 26 AS form. Summary of the tax reduction ratios. That's what 26 AS form is for TDS. So for example, in the initial period of the financial year, if you have not declared your investments, you will be deducted, like each and every month you will have a deduction from your salary. You could find it as TDS. TDS means tax deducted resource. For example, if you are earning 50,000, you will have a amount of 4,500 or 5,000 will be deducted for each month. So when you download this 26 AS form, you could see here form 26 AS. So if you have a 26 AS form, you can upload it and then it will automatically take it, or else if you need, you can add it here, add non-salary recently if you don't have any forms. Okay, so that in 26 AS form you have all the details which were deducted, and then self-tax payments. So if you have paid any tax, advance tax, and then self-assessment tax is like you once in tax filing tab, it will show you how much taxes you have paid. You have to pay. So when you have added and paid any tax, you can pay how much amount you have paid when you click on that option, and then you can give the BSR code and challan number which will be there in the challan, and then you can do it. Or else if you have paid any tax, advanced tax already, so you can enter the information as well here. So let me go back to the section. Bank info, you have to give some bank info where if you have any returns, you will get it back, and other bank details if you want, you can give. I don't think if many people will get returns. If they are getting returns, that's well and good. Additional information you can give if you are for sure if you are getting any returns. Foreign assets and income taxes. This is for persons who live, who have assets in foreign. They can enter their details, and they will have to pay more and more to the government. It's good if they pay. And please make it as mandatory. Please link your other account with your PAN. So make it as a citizen of India. It's our process. Now the government has initiated this process of making mandatory Aadhaar for everything. So please follow this. Once you have linked, then only go with e-filing, because it will fail if you don't if you have not linked your other account with the PAN. Then proceed to e-filing. If you proceed to e-filing, you will have sorry, since I have not given all the details properly, when you click on it, it will show. Once you have done it, you will have great, you don't have any tax. And then if you want to download and preview your ITR, you can download it here, and also the detailed report you can download here. And then to proceed e-filing, if you have uploaded all the details, you will have e-filing process will be going on some window. Once it is done, you will be displayed with an acknowledgement number will be given. So thanks for watching my video. Please like and share this video if it is helpful for you. Please like and share and subscribe to my new YouTube account. Thanks a lot for watching.